Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canuel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is my June message out to the community. Well, I'm outside. Yesterday we had a tornado watch, and fortunately we were spared the worst of it all. We did have some serious winds, but good news is that we're coming through it with no problems, and I'm thankful for that. And that really is the theme of my message for June. 23-24 has been quite a year, and I wanted to take a few minutes to thank a number of people, some in particular, some generally. The first, I'd like to start off by thanking all the members of the Learn team for their hard work this year. Virtual Campus continues to do outstanding work. They've got online classes, tutorials for the secondary and elementary sectors. They've done homework support for the homeschoolers. Then they worked with the Dean Committee on a variety of projects. So thanks to Diane and the entire team. You guys are just superstars. Don't let it go. Don't stop. Our PED services team, led by Christine, continues to do marvelous things, providing resources and really leading the way in cutting edge work. So congratulations to you, to all the good work that you're doing, providing those resources both to teachers and to students, and the great literacy work. I'm just blown away by that as well. And of course, there's the PRT led by Debbie. It's been quite a year. The I Belong, the conference, resources, but you guys came through flying colors. And again, many thanks to you and to your entire team. I would be remiss if I didn't mention our operations team, starting with Doris and Stephanie in finance. They're the backbone of what we do. They really guard our dollars and cents, make sure that we can continue to operate as an organization, and they do it with the highest level of professionalism. So thank you guys, ladies. To our IT team, who really, again, the irony I always say to Rob Costain is that the less I mention him, the better it is. It means that everything is working. So congratulations to you, Rob, to the team. And again, a shout out to the work that you're doing, Rob, in our generative AI project. I'm really, really excited about that. And then, of course, there's Carolina. Carolina's just been our comms person now for a number of years. And again, just so reliable, and the quality of the work that she does is really does a lot to enhance the image of Learn. So many thanks to her and to the work that she does for our organization. I'd like to mention that at our meeting, our board meeting coming up in a day, tomorrow, Stephen Pigeon is going to be advising everyone that it is his last meeting. He's retiring. He's been our chair for a number of years, and under his leadership, we've been able to garner a lot of support from our community. So sincere thanks and appreciation to Stephen, and I wish him well and a very, very happy retirement. And of course, also to some of the other board members who are leaving us. For example, Lucie Roy, who's retiring. Again, Lucie and the Riverside School Board have been great friends and associates of Learn. So thank you for their time, their service, their effort. It's all much appreciated. And of course, I'd be, again, remiss if I didn't mention all of the good work that's being done in our schools by our dedicated educators, administrators and teachers, who year in, year out are seeking to do more and better for our students. We need them. And again, their services very often go unappreciated. I'd also like to mention the parents. The parents are really key to the growth and change within our educational system. Those parents who volunteer their time to help not just their kids, but everyone's children. So kudos to you guys. You're the rock stars here, and I can't say enough good things about you. Don't stop, and let's see if we can't get more parents involved. Finally, to our students, our students are really why we do all of this. They're critical to and core to our work, our effort. Congratulations to them, to the work, to the joy they bring to learning. I wish you well in your endeavors, and I hope that this summer is a great one for you. I'll be talking to you again at our September meeting, but in the meantime, have a good summer. Stay healthy, stay well, and as I said, have a good time.